In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your followers on LinkedIn. Whether you want a more private experience or just prefer to limit what other people see. Knowing how to adjust your LinkedIn settings is an important step in managing your online presence. Let's dive right in. Start by going to linkedin.com and signing into your account. This is your first destination for making any changes to your LinkedIn profile. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn homepage with your feed of updates from your network. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right account if you manage multiple profiles. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. Give it a click. This icon acts as a gateway to many features that LinkedIn offers, from job searching to accessing your own professional insights. But today, we're focusing on privacy. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Settings and Privacy option within that menu and select it. This is your central hub for managing the privacy settings and preferences of your LinkedIn account. It's a powerful tool, so take your time navigating through it if you're unfamiliar. After the settings page loads, you'll notice several tabs along the left side of the screen. Find the one labelled Visibility and click on it. This tab is crucial as it controls who can see what parts of your LinkedIn profile. The visible elements range from your connections to your activity, highlights, but we're zeroing in on followers. Once in the visibility section, scan through the options and locate the setting labelled Who can see members you follow. This option governs who has access to see the list of people and pages you follow on LinkedIn. By default, this may be visible to your connections, but you can change this setting for more privacy. Finally, click on the option that reads Only Visible to Me. By selecting this, only you will be able to view the list of members you are following. It's a straightforward change, but a significant one for ensuring your activities and interests aren't exposed to others, unless you choose to share them. By following these steps, you've gained control over your LinkedIn visibility and now understand how to hide your followers on the platform. Remember, LinkedIn is about networking and connecting professionally, but you should always feel comfortable with how much of your information is shared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online presence.